I'm Anupa. Tell you one thing, who doesn't like idlis? As in, we all love nice, soft, steaming hot idlis. And today's idli is a little different. I'm giving it a twist. Let's make Moong Dal Idlis with some cheddar cheese. So here I have cheddar cheese. This is actually a little sharp in flavor and has a slight crumbly texture. Just imagine nice flavorful idli with a nice flavor of cheese. So we're done with the cheese. Now let's make the batter. So what you have to do is we need a mixie jar. We'll grind moong dal and along with that we're going to grind the urad dal. So what we'll do first is we'll just grind both the dals, add some water and just grind this. So this batter is done. All we have to do is let it ferment for about 6 to 8 hours on your kitchen platform. So it's been about 6 hours, it's time to check the batter. Wow, look at it, so well fermented. I'll show you the consistency. So we first need to add in some salt. Cheddar cheese is not very salty. We can add salt as much as we want. We're going to be adding in some more flavor in form of green chilli and ginger paste and a little bit of hing. Just mix this up well. The idli batter is done. So let's get the idli steamer out and we need to heat it up. In the meanwhile, just a little bit of oil and just spread this. Add little bit of batter on the base like this. And now let's add in some cheddar cheese. You can be generous like this. So the best part about this cheese is that it is high in protein, and especially for parents who are worried about children not gaining weight, give it to them. So after we've added the cheese, we need to top it up with some more batter. Since the steamer is also ready, carefully, you got to be really careful because the steam is very hot. Pick this up and put it inside. 15 minutes and the idlis are going to be done. So it's been about 15 minutes and I'm very sure the idli is done. We need to demold this. So we'll just take this out, sprinkle some idli podi on top. So cheddar cheese goes really well with rotis, parathas, pastas, pizzas and now even idlis. Well, this is something that I love making. I think you should also try making your idlis with cheddar cheese because it's super yum.